Hi guys, welcome back to another new animation video. We hope you guys are all well and healthy. I am Shagor and you are watching Swag Art and Craft. So today we are going to animate a Toto in Adobe Animate. We will show you how easily you can animate a Toto. But before animate a Toto, we need an illustration of Toto which we have done previously. So you guys can find a video in our playlist Adobe Illustrator or check the description box for link. So now let's move to the computer screen. So this is the Toto illustration file and this is the background which we are going to use behind the Toto illustration. So we will change the layer name into BG so that we can identify easily. Then we adjust the background layer just like this. So let's adjust the Toto now. Open Adobe Animate, take 1920 into 1080 Full HD artboard. Bring here the Toto illustration file. Lock the background layer first, then lock layer 1. Select front layer, press F8 and make it a graphic symbol. Then we will do the same with the back tire layer also. Select 7-second frame and press F6. Then select all the frame and click on the Create Classic Twin. Select the last frame and move the Toto to the left side just like this. Now see, it is moving from right to the left, but the wheels are not revolving. So we will now move the wheels. For this, select the back tire layer first and then select rotate counterclockwise and make it 5 RPM. So see, it is now revolving. Now we will do the same with the front tire layer also. So it is done. Let's export the file into video, as simple as that. So we hope you guys like the video and learn how to revolve a wheel. You can watch more videos like this, just click here. And that's all for today. See you soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye and take care and thanks for watching.